Hi guys, we are back with new videos. As you know, we are bringing the series of gadgets and cars. In this video we will discuss about different gadgets. Before we start, it's our request to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get latest updates. Number 1, Yelock. Whether you're heading out for a long trip or just going down the block, you may be concerned about your bicycle or motorcycle getting stolen when parked. When parking outdoors, a disc brake lock system can ensure your bicycle, motorcycle stays safe, so it is difficult for thieves to get it. Introducing Yelock, an anti-theft disc brake lock with fingerprint, key dual unlock methods that offers ultra portability, IPX7 waterproof attributes and great durability. Being lightweight, flexible and easy to use, it is the ideal lock for urban and recreational cyclists alike. There's nothing like hitting the open road on a motorcycle, especially when the conditions are perfect. But preventing your motorcycle from the real threat from a theft is something that requires timely execution. Otherwise, your joy will be stolen as well. Unlike the traditional motorcycle locks, which may be clumsy and in some situations, you are just trapped in finding the key to unlock. Yelock is a truly portable disc brake lock that fits right in your palm and won't take much space. You may simply put it in the pocket for carrying on the road. Number 2, Orbit 360. Walking our dogs is more work than it should be. Unlike printers, clamshell packaging, and the other great unsolvable problems of our generation, the act of taking our dogs around the block never seems to be improved. Wrap the one-size-fits-all belt comfortably around your waist and secure it. Inhale the air of freedom as you realize your hands are completely free. Go grab your phone, grab your water bottle, or bring your kid along. Things just got a little simpler. So your old leash still works. No unnecessary waste here. Just securely attach it to the clip and slide the rings into a comfortable position that aligns to your dog. Attach the other end to your little guy just like before, and now you're ready. That's it. The ring smoothly rotates around the base and prevents any sort of tangling, or the need to have to hold the leash. Number 3, Mini Safety HAT are beneficial Amazon gadgets buying. This code wallet is the ideal way to carry and protect your most valuable personal effects: cash, credit cards, driver's license, etc. Featuring a 3-digit locking code, your belongings are locked away and out of the reach of unauthorized people, while RFID blocking technology protects your contactless cards from electronic data theft. This pocket-size vault brings maximum security as it's also guarded with RFID fraud protection, and features a tracking system to ensure you never lose your wallet again. The code wallet offers a large storage space to fit up to 12 cards, receipts and cash including dollars and euros. Designed to be efficient and extremely practical in its handling, it can be opened with one hand, revealing each card in a glance. The lock and code are made out of metal zinc alloy for a heavy duty and maximum reliability. Number 4, a Segmet DP20 LCD. A Segmet DP20 is a laser measure device that utilizes a laser, digital display, and tape measure. This fully featured tool provides default real-time distance, area, volume, and indirect measuring functions. An easy-to-read backlit display lets you get readings day or night. In addition, the laser precision technology allows this pocket-sized tool to take instant and reliable measurements up to 131 feet so that you can size up the job in seconds. DP20 comes with a 5mm 16 feet auto lock tape for short distance measurements, and the 60mm 131 feet laser meets the demand of long distance bright, easy to read LCD window on top for ease of reference. The extra functions of the app give you a quick floor drawing experience. The advanced photoelectric decoding technology ensured LCD result consistent precise with the actual tape physical read. In addition, DP20 adopts unique coding technology to improve the reading accuracy of tape data and prevent brush skipping or missing brushes. As a result, data reading in 2 ways makes your measurement more accurate and convenient. The leading photoelectric decoding technology ensured the measurement number of the digital display is precisely consistent with the length of the tape measure. Number 5, X-Graft. The X-Graft is ideal for DIY lovers, thinkers, and creators. With 3 different types of bits, it particularly suits those who perform intricate and multi-process repairs and operations. With a pen-like shape and an extremely light weight of just 56 grams, X-Graft is perfect for everyday carry. One X-Graft handles all your needs, without weighing you down, no matter if you carry it with you or keep it at home. X-Graft is equipped with 3 shadow-less LED lights, allowing you to see your working area clearly and never miss a thing. With just one slide, the bits can be magnetized or demagnetized. X-Graft helps you keep fasteners secure as you work and prevents dropped and lost parts. With a 350 mAh lithium battery, 70 minutes of Type-C charging can provide power for over 1,000 plus fastener insertions. The kit case is exclusively designed for efficient storage and use. Ultra-powerful magnets are attached to each corner of the case, keeping every bit safe and ready for use.